Next is for consolidated. Okay, normally console is we use for cash customer lah. Okay, so let's say you have a new cash sale under cash account. Then I choose floral dress, save. Mm, Save. Okay, so let's say another customer, she's buying Samsung. Save. Then another customer is buying floral dress again. So let's say I want to use a cash customer code, also can use cash customer, and then I issue a normal one. Should buy flowers. Okay. So I have a four cash sale here lah. So normally for cash sale, which is the buyer do not require the e-invoice, you just give a normal cash sale. Okay. You just give a normal cash sale to the customer because they do not require invoice, so you need to give with the QR code. Okay. Okay. So make sure for cash customer, you need to leave it blank lah. Do not fill up anything. Okay. So you choose cash sale, not send yet, and then for consolidated invoice, refresh, and then you click this first button, select all, and then send. Yes. So for consolidated invoice, you don't submit it every day. Do not submit it every week. Do not submit it twice a week. Okay? You only submit the consolidated e-invoice at the end of the month. Okay? Before the 7 calendar days of the next month. So now already submitted. If check send, refresh, check all status. Now it's changed to valid lah. So when you check your report, so you can see the submitted document is under CI. So you can see all the description will not show here. Okay, the description will show as cash sale reference number CS1, CS2, CS3, CS4. Okay, all the details of the document will not show lah. Okay, so invoice also you can submit as consolidate. Okay, so let's say you have one of your customer which is maybe it is a cash customer, but you issue it invoice lah because it have credit term. Okay, so let's say I have another one. So I have two customer for cash customer, go sales report, e-invoice document. For consolidated e-invoice, only it will show up. Okay, tick and then send. Okay, so you change to send, check all, and then check status. Okay, means tak belum check lagi lah. Okay, never mind, later on we'll check the status for this document. Okay, so that's how you want to submit for consolidated e-invoice. Okay. Okay, so let's say one of your customer, okay, let's say you have a new customer buy cash account. She buy the Samsung. Okay, today she buy it, and then on the next day, she only remind that she need to claim tax. So she wants e-invoice. So how you want to issue the e-invoice for her? You click this button, e-invoice buyer. Okay, for CS5, you need to fill up their name, address, country, phone, email, BRN, tax number, TIN, okay, and then you save. Okay, either you want to add manually or you let your customer scan here, and then once they fill up, they will generate a QR code on their side. Okay, so you need to have a bar scanner or a QR code scanner to scan the QR code on your customer phone. Okay, and then that information will auto fill up in this million lah. Okay, so this is how if you want to use the e-invoice buyer lah for those customer that request e-invoice. Okay, but I will more prefer you to fill up manually. Okay, you ask their details and then you fill up here and then save. Okay, and then you go back to the sales report invoice document to submit the e-invoice. Okay,